we introduce a new file. Let us choose a plane, the top plane. Then now we draw a circle. The sketch is a circle of use smart dimension equal to 100 mm. Then we say OK. After that we go to feature, we extrude. Use boss extrude. Let us say a height of 300. Now we include a thin feature of 1 mm. After that, now the cylinder is complete. After we have drawn the cylinder, we draw another sketch, which is the corner rectangle from a place slightly above this cylinder downward. We say OK. Then we extrude cut using this rectangle. We extrude cut by 1 mm. We say OK. Now you can see the cylinder is well cut, but at this point we cannot open the cylinder, hence we have to insert bends. So you can just insert the command bends. Here it is. After that you just select this edge and you say OK. Then after you have inserted the bends, you can now go to the sheet metal and then you flatten your cylinder and then you annotate to get the dimensions. That's how you can flatten a closed cylinder. Thank you.